In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Jotform subscription. Start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, click on the Settings option. This will open your account settings in a new tab. From the left-hand side of your settings page, click on the Billing option. Once you do this, you'll be able to see your current subscription plan displayed at the top of the page. To cancel your subscription, you don't directly delete it. Instead, you need to downgrade your account to the free plan. Click on the Change Plan button. You will see your current plan marked with the word Current. Now click on the Downgrade button under the free plan. A new page will appear asking if you're sure you want to downgrade. Click on the option that says No thanks, continue to downgrade. You will then be taken to a second page with a warning message stating that once you downgrade, certain features will be limited. If you are okay with this, scroll down and again click on No thanks, continue to downgrade. You'll be taken to a third confirmation screen, asking for the reason why you are cancelling your plan. Select any reason you prefer from the list of options. After that, click again on No thanks, continue to downgrade. On the next screen, you will again be asked to confirm. Scroll down and click on Continue to Downgrade. You'll be taken to a final screen, and here Jotform may offer you a discount as a last attempt to retain your subscription. If you're not interested, again click on Continue to Downgrade. Finally, you'll be shown a feedback box where you can write in any comments or suggestions, though this step is optional. To complete the process, click on Confirm Downgrade. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen stating that your plan has been successfully cancelled, and this is how you can cancel your Jotform subscription.